Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are well. So in this video I will share with you a job openings from Oman. It's a Gulf country. I hope you all know that. So today we'll know what is the job openings from Oman, how to apply, and what is the basic requirements to apply for this job. So everything details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. So this is a multiple vacancies in Oman, urgent requirement for Oman category, all-rounder mason. Salary will be 110 plus 20 Oman Real. Shuttering Carpenter, same salary. Gents Tailor, same salary. House cook, 140 Oman Real plus food. Then chef or Conti Commi salary will be 120 Oman Real, and then Dosa maker 110 plus 20. Then cleaning supervisor 250 plus 20. So OMR means Oman Real. I hope you all know it. So this is the currency of Oman. And if you want to know what is the Indian currency or your home country currency, you can search on Google for one Oman Real in how much Indian rupees or how much your country currency. Then you will know what is the salary. So next, Barber salary will be 110 plus 20. All candidates should have good experience in same background, and note employment visa duty 10 hours and Gamca medical required. ECR passport accepted, immigration charges extra. 2 Covishield vaccination dose compulsory. So this is very important point. Employment visa, that means they will provided you employment visa. You can move Oman with a work permit. Next, duty will be 10 hours per day. Gamca medical means you have to attend a medical test which will be attend under Gamca. It's a medical system. Under Gamca you have to give the medical test and you have to get the fit certificate. If you will be unfit, then they will reject you. So Gamca medical test is very important. Next, ECR passport accepted. Your passport should be ECR, should not be ECNR. That means ECNR, I hope you know, ECNR means immigration check required, not required, and ECR means immigration check required. So you should know your passport should be ECR or ECNR, can both accept. To Covishield vaccination, that means you should have a COVID vaccine 2 dose compulsory, and you should have the certificates. So if you have the all things and you are eligible for any of this position, then you can apply by this official email ID. So you have to send your educational certificates, passport scan copy, photo with white background, all experience certificates scan copy, everything you have to send in this given official email ID. Let me highlight this email ID so that you can identify easily the email ID. So guys, this email ID you can get in the descriptions below this video. So you have to send your all documents. I already explained you what is the documents you have to send. You have to send all the documents in the given official email ID. After you send your documents, the shortlisted process will be start. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can get notifications or a call to attend the interview in office by client. So after that you have to crack the interview. After you success from the interview, the medical test and visa process will be start. So this is the all process. I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any confusion, you can ask your question in the comment box. I will try to give an answer. So let me tell you again, this is the urgent vacancies and there have many job openings like mason, carpenter, tailor, house cook, chef, dosa maker, cleaning supervisor, barber, different types of job openings. So for which job you want to apply, you can apply by this official email ID. And the important point is you should have a Gamca medical test fit certificate. You should have ECR or ECNR passport with valid, and you should have COVID-19 certificates, vaccination certificates, and you will get the salary as per mentioned right here for your positions. So I hope I explained all the things. If understand all the things, still if you have any question, you can ask your question in the comment box. So please share this information to your friends and relatives. if they will be get a benefits from these informations to apply for this job. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. Of course, in the next video, I will try to give you a information regarding latest job openings, which regarding to abroad job, and you can apply as soon as possible.